Free Cursor AI users aren't supposed to get the Claude Sonnet 3.7 Max. But thanks to our private Telegram community, I'll be revealing how developers are bypassing these restrictions. Let's test this, right? Side by side, you can see we have the default, the standard Claude 3.7, right? And with this exact same prompt, I was asking it to search for the word where, and it was able to find 89 matches, because it actually doesn't really, check the full context of the file, because we can see this is a very, large file, right? And it was able to just summarize, like get the first 89, and that's it. But you see, with our modified max version, we were able to get 113 matches, right? So you see the token ratio is quite different, and with the modified version you're able to get shout out to football fan A in Telegram for sharing this info with us, and also asking we share with everyone on YouTube, right? This video is purely educational, and I strongly advise against using this. If you ignore my advice, you assume full responsibility for any legal or technical issues that might arise from doing the steps that are in this video. Right, so let's proceed. Hypothetically, one might actually go to the GitHub repo, download the script, and make sure you close the IDE, close it totally, like Cursor IDE, and then you run the script. If this error occurs, possible you have the file in the wrong location, right? And then once the script is done running successfully, you will be able to open the IDE once again. If you see the error about the IDE being corrupt, hypothetically speaking, you could just ignore that also, and you would have access to the max version, and you're able to use it, right? So many more info on our Telegram channel and other educational videos available on YouTube. Subscribe today to stay updated.